As you may remember, in April 2021, Ottawa unilaterally declared that plastic manufactured items are toxic under the Canadian Environmental Protection Act. Not only did they ignore reality, but once again, they ignored the law in doing so. Thankfully, last month, the Federal Court of Canada found the government's actions to be unreasonable and unconstitutional. The court recognized that allowing this overreach would enable Ottawa to regulate nearly every aspect of the economy, upsetting the balance of federalism in Canada. It's another useful reminder that the provinces are not subordinate to the central government. The provinces are partners in Confederation, and we ought to be treated as such. This message has really been driven home by the courts this year, here and in the Supreme Court's decision on the Impact Assessment Act. Unfortunately, it's clear from Ottawa's appeal of the federal court's decision that the lesson isn't sinking in, and more reminders are necessary. So Alberta will keep standing up for what's right. And in this case, what's right is the fact that plastics aren't actually toxic. If they were, they wouldn't be in nearly every product in the economy. And Ottawa can't regulate whatever it wants by arbitrarily classifying something as a toxic substance. But we shouldn't be surprised by this, which should come as no surprise to Ottawa, that we intend to continue pushing back on their unreasonable and unconstitutional orders. We were interveners in the original case, and we will stay involved throughout the appeals process. The stakes are too high to do anything less. If Ottawa's approach ultimately wins, it will be a disaster for Alberta's and Canada's economy. It would destroy our petrochemicals industry, driving away tens of billions of dollars in investment and eliminating tens of thousands of jobs. And it will harm the progress that's occurring in plastics reuse and recycling. Ottawa should listen to these objections. They come from the courts and the Constitution, and the provinces and the people Ottawa claims to serve. Ottawa would be better served by working with provinces and industry than they are by pushing forward with unconstitutional laws and regulations. My promise is that Alberta will fight every step of the way on every issue that affects Albertans. Albertans have high expectations, and we will meet them. We will deliver the growth and sustainability that Canadians want and need.